So here in the xy plane, we're given an equation of a line, k, which is 3x minus 2y. I'm going to rewrite this in the y equal to mx plus b form. So we're given 2y is equal to 3x, y is 3 over 2x. And the question is asking you to compare the x and y intercept. So y-intercept is when you set x to be equal to 0. So in this case, when you set x to 0, y is 0. So this problem, actually, this line, if you draw it, it's going to pass through the origin with a slope of 1.5. So it actually, its y and x-intercept both are 0, because the definition of x-intercept is the x-coordinate of the point where the line intersects the y-axis, and then y-intercept is the y-coordinate of the point where the line hits the y-axis. So in both cases, both the quantity A is 0 and quantity B is also 0, so they're equal. Correct answer is C.